the rate?
Yeah, this is the LS. This is the new version.
The new version, okay.
Yeah, or the new table,
Cool
whatever.
room.
What card are we using?
This is a Stein Music Aventurin 6. And they're using a Miyajima model.
Silent running audio stand. Is it a true dual mono preamp or something?
No, this is a line stage.
Okay.
And that's the power supply. This is the phono stage, and that's the power
Okay, it looks
supply.
identical. I was
Yeah,
like,
I
what is
know. But see, this gives it away, the knob.
Okay, the knob. I was like, okay, that's why I missed that
Even
part.
though there's is a remote.
Yeah, I was like, what?
So that's all, everything on that rack is TW. Made by
TW.
Yeah.
That's beautiful stuff. So you could time align the horn, I guess.
No, it doesn't actually move. But what he did, because on the giant horns they do move.
Okay.
So it was just kind of like an homage to, you know, like a,
Okay.
you know.
I
but
know,
no.
like the, you know, Wilson likes
But
to
these
have
come
it.
these come off,
Okay.
you know, for shipping and stuff. But no, they don't move.
The rack that you're using?
This is I'm just starting importing this rack. It's from South Korea.
Okay.
It's Codia. And,
Codia.
Yeah. And I used a friend of mine in Canada. It was a North American distributor, but he just doesn't want to do the United States too, so he asked me to take it over. But I've used their racks in the past. I mean, they're incredible racks.
These are beautiful, yeah.
So
Much
a
better
rack
than a
like
solid
this,
steel. Yeah.
like one of these, is about $9,500.
Is that right?
This is their top of the line. So this isn't just like a piece of wood or some kind of, this is all different materials. I mean, there's so much
Really
technology in these things.
This is really nice.
So, and you can just keep adding and adding and adding and adding.
What's
right?
the brand on this? What is it?
Codia is the company.
Okay.
And
With a K or a C?
a C.
Okay.
So these all float on ball bearings in there. So everything is, these feet are extra, but yeah, you can get the legs in chrome, you can get them in gold, you know, there's all kinds of things you can do.
This looks sharp though. Yeah, it's really nice.
I mean, it's beautifully built, the finish is perfect.
And what are these things over here? This is a tweak?
Those are room acoustics. What that's doing is putting out a pulse.
Uh-huh.
So, any of the back wave, it puts out a pulse that moves the wave back forward into the room, so you don't get congestion, really, is what it is.
Oh, is it plugged in?
There's batteries in there.
Okay. That's interesting.
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
Yeah, there's 4 of them.
2 back here.
Okay.
Who makes those?
Those are Stein Music.
Oh, okay.
Same as the cartridge, same as